Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're gonna look at Microsoft Designer. And with this tool, you can design anything like a pro with the help of AI. So let's jump right in. Just head over to designer.microsoft.com, and on the home page, you can see there are a few different AI options. The first one is Image Creator. That's pretty standard for any image creation. You need to add the text prompt and the AI will generate the image for you. But this image creator uses the power of DALL-E 3. So let's try generating an image from our imagination. Click on Generate. From here, you can explore all these prompt examples. And then all you need to do, just write in your text here. Alright, so I wrote a bunch of AI robots crossing in the middle of traffic in the streets of a futuristic city with flying cars in the background. Cause why not? It's AI, right? So let's just click on Generate. Alright, there you go. So the AI has generated two images. And out of these two, I really like this. So it has the city with the robots crossing the street with the flying cars in the background. That's pretty cool. So if you like this, just click on download and save it to your computer. Let's try with one more example. Alright, for this one, I wrote an alien wearing a black hoodie with the text UFO written on it. Click on generate. And there you go, our images are ready. The fact that AI is using text accurately, that means it's using the power of DALL-E 3. So if you're satisfied with the results, just click on download and save it to your computer. Alright, so the next feature we're gonna talk about is the generative erase. This tool is like a magic eraser that can erase anything from your images. Click on generate and then drag and drop in your images here. What makes this tool unique is that when you hover your cursor over your image, it automatically selects the area that the AI thinks you might want to remove. See how the AI is detecting the objects automatically? So just click on it and then click on Erase Object. Alright, so as you can see, the selected area has been removed. The AI actually did a pretty good job. So I didn't have to select the area manually, I just hovered my cursor on it and the AI has automatically detected it. So this tool is like a magical eraser that understands your intentions. If you're satisfied with it, just click on looks good and then download it from here. Let's try adding some more images. Alright, so I've selected this picture and let's see if you can remove certain objects from it. Just hover your cursor and then click on erase object. Alright, there you go. As you can see, the objects has been removed. Alright, so do check out this tool if you want to remove unwanted objects from your images. Alright, so now we're gonna look at the design creator and this is what I wanted to show you guys. With this tool, you can design anything like a pro with the help of AI. Just click on generate and then in here, describe what kind of content you're looking for. So I wrote an Instagram post about 50% winter sale on electronic gadgets for a tech company, and I've also mentioned the main colors should be black, green and red. So let's see how the AI incorporates this idea. And with the text prompt, you can also add your own media or you can generate images with the help of AI. I'll just click on generate and let's see how the AI incorporates this. Alright, so it has generated few options for us. And I would say I like all of these. These are pretty cool. Because I didn't have to start with a blank page. I just wrote my text prompt and the AI has made everything. It has also given me a suggestion for the prompt. So let's try this and then click on generate. And there you go, your designs are ready. Select the design you like the most and then click on it. From here you can download this straight away by clicking it here, or you can customize this design. Just click on it and then from here you can do all your edits. You can change the background color, you can edit the text, you can add your own media from here, you can even change the visuals. On your right side, you have some more variations of these designs. So let's say I like this design and I would like to do some changes in it. So let's try changing the background, click on it, and then select the color you want. You can enter your text here. Alright, see, the more you're gonna edit, on your right side, it's gonna show you different ideas. So since I've changed the background color to black, it has suggested one black design as well. On the left side, click on visuals And then from here, you can generate images with the help of AI. You can select different stock images, graphics, and as well as videos. So everything you need for your design is here. Let's try generating something. Alright, so I wrote a tree full of electronic gadgets and it has given us a few suggestions. Let's try this. And there you have it, our images are ready. That's pretty cool, I really like the designs. So let's say I want to copy this here. Click on the image that you want to delete. And then just click here to insert it to your design. Adjust the size. There you go. Let's try adding some more images. On the top, you have the option to change the position. Click on send it to back. Alright, so I've selected this picture and let's say I want to remove the background. So all you have to do, just click on remove background and the AI will automatically remove it. There you go, and it's looking much better now. Alright, so now let's enter some text. On your left, click here and then you can select any of these templates if you want. Select the one that you're looking for and then click on it. Change the color if you want. Alright, and there you go, our design is ready and it just took few minutes. You can check out different ideas from your right. So based on your edits, it will recommend you different designs. So let's say I like this, I'll just click on it and then there you go. It has automatically made the design for me. Do any necessary edits if you want. And now it's ready. If you're satisfied with it, just click on download and save it to your computer. If you have made a mistake and you want to go back, just click here on the top and it will undo it. And if you want to redo it, just select the opposite. Alright, so do check out Microsoft Designer and start creating your own designs like a pro. Alright, so that's about it for today. And if you have reached till the end of the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next video.